In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Whimsical, step by step. We all know how valuable it can be to reuse our existing templates or projects to save time and ensure consistency. And Whimsical makes this incredibly easy. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to head over to the Whimsical login page. This is where our journey begins. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL or simply clicking a saved bookmark. Once you're there, the page you see will provide you with a few different login options, but for simplicity and convenience, we'll be using Google to log in today. Go ahead and click on Log In with Google. This step is really straightforward and convenient if you have a Google account, as it saves time and keeps things simple with fewer passwords to remember. When you click this option, it will take you to the Google account chooser. Here you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you'd like to use, especially if you've logged in with multiple accounts in the past. Selecting the correct account is crucial as it ensures you have access to the right Whimsical workspace, with all your saved boards ready to go. Now that we're logged into Whimsical, let's move on to the fun part, duplicating your board. You should see all your boards laid out in a thumbnail format in your workspace. Find the board you'd like to duplicate by navigating through your projects. Take a moment to locate the board you want to copy, ensuring that it's the correct one. Once you've got your eye on the desired board, you'll notice a small checkbox on the corner of the board's thumbnail. Far from just a simple visual detail, this checkbox is your gateway to duplicating your board. Click on it to select the board. The moment you check it, you'll trigger a series of actions related to copying functions. With your board selected, look for the Copy button. This might be labeled simply as Copy on the interface, which makes it easy to find. Click on it and you're almost there. This function will create a duplicate of your chosen board. Finally, you need to decide where you'd like to place this new copy. Usually you'll be given a few options that might include existing folders or even creating a new space just for this board. Make sure to choose wisely based on how you organize your projects. Select your preferred destination, and just like that, you've successfully duplicated your board in Whimsical. Following these steps will enable you to efficiently manage and replicate your workflows, saving time and effort. And there you have it, a simple tutorial on duplicating boards in Whimsical. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.